Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford Explorer XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities. We got the tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, nice looking rims on here as well. We do get blind spot detection on the mirrors and a keyless entry keypad if I can get it to brighten up, but it does work. And we do get the nice black hood deflector with the nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob button up there or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You got a cargo cubby hole so you can set up like this or just leave it like that. Totally up to you. We do get your normal storage below. Lights, 12-volt hooks and doodads for all your cargo necessities. To collapse your last row, you just pull that forward and the seat will go forward automatically. And you got cup holders, storage for the back passengers, which is always pretty nice. I'm gonna swing that back up and it locks into place. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You got a step to get to the back, adjustable seats. You lift this up and you slide your seat forward. You do get your 2 additional seats with the cloth as well. Plenty of door space in the back doors, floor mats. We got a little center console here for the 2 passengers. Got the cup holders as well. Rear climate controls with USB, USB-C, 12-volt, and storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 101,197 kilometers. We do get that lovely leather-wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifters with your toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, cruise control, digital speedometer with select screen, audio, phone, and other settings. We got our gear select storage, cup holders, more storage here, and underneath with some outlets, and it does close. Parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, hill, traction, and drive modes. Dual climate up front, pretty handy. Hazards tune, playback, play forward, volume, engine start stop, storage below, and our nice little infotainment system with your audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here. Settings such as Bluetooth, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8393, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.